Hi, my name is Bruce Starr, and I'm one of the staff scientists that works at Science North. This is a quick video to show you how hand washing is effective in neutralizing and destroying the coronavirus that's affecting all of us. Now, before we begin with that explanation, I want to talk about viruses. What is a virus? So a virus is a very, very simple particle. When you look at it, it is made up of DNA or RNA, which is the blueprint in making other viruses. So in this picture, it's the spiral thing that you see, and it's usually surrounded by some protein subunits. So those are the little balls that make the kind of geometric shape around the DNA or RNA. Now, there are some viruses, like the one I just shown you, that have just that. But some other viruses, like the coronavirus, also have an envelope, which is an extra layer on top of that, which is like a bubble of fat. And on it has these little spikes that's sticking out. And these little spikes allow the virus to attach to surfaces. So if I show you a picture of the actual coronavirus that's affecting us, you could see, that spiral structure. That is the RNA, the blueprint that the virus uses to make more of itself. You see that round envelope outside, and then you see those knob spikes that stick out. That is what the virus uses to attach to our cells to then infect us in order to get sick. So soap is really effective in neutralizing the coronavirus, and I'm going to show you with a very, very simple demonstration. All right, so for this demonstration, we're just going to use materials that you might have around your house. Very simple household materials. All right, so let's take a look here. So I just have a little piece of paper. That will be our RNA, or the blueprint that the virus uses in order to make other viruses. Piece of aluminum foil, just some butter, some sprinkles, and a bowl of warm soapy water. All right, so the first thing we're gonna do, we're gonna build our virus. So I'm gonna take my piece of RNA, put it in here. We're gonna make a circular ball-shaped structure. This is our virus. And what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put a thin layer of butter just on the outside surface, just a thin layer. It doesn't have to be big. This is more than enough. I'm just gonna cover it up. You just want a thin layer on top. And that's the capsule of our coronavirus. That's the outer capsule that we're gonna put here, that layer of lipid, of oil that we're putting. All right, so again, just gonna make sure I got it everywhere. Okay, so I got this thin layer, and now I'm gonna put it in my sprinkles, and the sprinkles are gonna be those spike proteins, okay? Those spike proteins that the virus uses in order to attach to your cells to make you sick, all right, to infect your cells. So here we are, our virus model, okay, of a coronavirus. So now we're gonna see what happens when you wash your hands in a soapy solution. We wash our hands for 20 seconds. We're gonna count for 20 seconds. We're gonna sing happy birthday. So happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. All right, so I'm just gonna wash my hands on this. Let's take a look at what happened to the virus. So if you see, this virus right now has none of those spike proteins, right? The butter got dissolved by the soap, so therefore the spike proteins fell off. And now this viral particle cannot infect your body. And that's essentially how soap works. So when you do have the coronavirus, let's say on your body or on your hands, and you use soap, you destroy the ability of the virus to be able to infect your cells or somebody else's cells. And also you wash it off when you also wash. So very simple explanation, very quick demonstration to show you that simple hand washing for 20 seconds with soap is a great method of ensuring that you don't spread the coronavirus through surfaces that you touch. All right, so don't forget, wash your hands, keep at a distance of 2 meters away from each other, and wear a mask. By doing that, we're hopefully gonna help slow down the spread of the coronavirus.